what we got going on here is we're playing C, D, D sharp, A sharp, B, C. Let's try it out. So originally we were looking at this with 5 or 6 chords. C, D, D sharp, A sharp, C, and G. So that would be 6 chords. C, D, D sharp, A sharp, C, and G. So going back to the first part, if we just take some of the chords out, this is what it would sound like. So C, D, instead of playing D sharp, we're sliding into D sharp. So when we play C, that's normal. D to D sharp we'd slide. We hit D, and then we would immediately slide up to D sharp. So basically holding pressure and dragging that up. And then we shift over to A sharp. Now this is where we have to figure out what we want to do. From A sharp we can either hit 3 notes in the span of what we just did with 2, or we can just slide up to C. So a little bit of a bigger gap, or we can go so you got to figure out what you want to do there. So does that make sense? Hopefully. Alright, give it a shot!